Hi, fifth grade orchestras. We're beginning our work in sound innovations. So we're on the very first page, page 2, and we're working on numbers 2 through 6. Remember, number 2 through 6 has 4/4 time signature, so 4 beats in a measure. There's practicing bow lifts and pincher claws and pizzicato and arco. So here we go. Number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 3, our D major scale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 4 with the bow lift, and don't forget to maybe try to use your 4th finger for the A. 1, 2, number 4. Number 5, pizzicato and pull. Have your pincher claws ready first, so your thumb and your index finger touching. Number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. And lastly, number 6, go till it roadie. Bow lift at the end of the first line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, you can practice by playing along with me or the Sound Innovations Recording Library. Have fun practicing. Bye.